Okay, we're here, at least for tonight. Whew. 10 o'clock and it's boiling. Okay, so first up, because we have a nice sunny day, let's take advantage of it, it's called the Tablelands. And I'm bringing all the big guns today. I mean, I'm bringing all of my top of the line equipment. We gonna bottom out here? Come on, baby, you can do it. Is that snow? Do I see snow up there? No way. Okay, well, time to hike. 7 out, 7 back. It's going to be a good hike. It doesn't look like much, but this whole area is all about the rocks. Very old rocks. Some volcanic, as you can kind of see. At least that's what the sign says. Pretty awesome, eh?